Hindi, nilalaro niya lang yun. So, Clark is almost at the edge and... So, my sister fell on the table because she's sitting down on it. And my sister... Clark again. So... Clark is getting cray-cray. I miss Bella so much. Hello. But the good news is Bella is just here now because it's where the sister of my grandmother and my sister of my grandmother is just near of our house, so we can visit Bella anytime you want. Oh my God! It's very cray-cray. Yeah, so cray-cray. So, yeah, so he's playing with his favorite ball, which I showed you in my last video, the new toy. And I got one more toy, but he's not using it that much, so... So he's playing with it right now. Oh, bakit ayaw mo siya palaruin? Clark! Ano siya? Ano yan? So I'm just squeezing the ball right now while he's going cray-cray. So, yeah, I know, but the side of the table is already different. Much more beautiful than before. See that? See that flower design over there? So, yeah, so let's put Clark down now. This crazy little dog puppy. Then let's put the toy down. So my grandmother's sweeping the floor.
Clark, dito sa'yo, Clark, oh.
So he's playing right now. And he's playing. Still playing, and my sister is getting her attention. So yeah, so this is the electric fan that I'm using. Very cold. It's blue and very nice. It's like new, but it's kind of old already. Hello. So my sister is there beside me. Hello. So yeah, she's very hyper, and yeah, she don't have teeth, as you can see. Have very gross teeth. So I really love you guys. So yeah, so we got this 2 new flowers right here. So thank you for watching, guys. Later, I will post a Minecraft video, I promise. So, goodbye!